Mama bear is a woman, especially a mother, who is extremely protective of a child or children. Synonym: overprotective.
I like around me.
To take care of somebody means to be responsible for someone or something. Synonym: be concerned, deal with. Crew, a group of people who work together, especially all those who work on and operate a ship, aircraft. Synonym: team, staff, working party, squad.
And you want to do more shows, obviously.
Obviously, something in a way that can be easily seen, recognized, or understood. Synonym: clearly, undeniably, undoubtedly, unquestionably.
Absolutely. I do want to do more shows.
So?
Absolutely means completely, beyond any doubt. Synonym: certainly, indeed, of course, definitely, without question.
Absolutely. I do want to do more shows.
So?
The emphatic do is a particular use of the verb do. Do, does, or did to add emphasis to an affirmative sentence. The emphatic do is far more common in speech than in formal written English.
Now that I've got my feet wet.
Get one's feet wet is an idiom which means to begin doing a new job, activity, or something else in usually a slow and simple way in order to become more familiar with it.
I am going to do a residency in Vegas.
To be going to. We use to be going to talk about future plans and intentions. Usually the decisions about the future plans has already been made.
I am going to do a residency in Vegas.
To do a residency in somewhere means to live in that particular place.
I've been actually accumulating for years these amazing ideas, and
I've been. Verb plus ing, all right? Present perfect continuous. We use have, has, plus been, plus the ing form of the verb to form present perfect continuous.
been actually accumulating for years.
Accumulate means to collect or increase something gradually, especially over a period of time. Synonym: collect, gather, increase, assemble.
These amazing ideas, and
Amazing means making someone feel extremely surprised. Synonyms: wonderful, mind-blowing, marvelous, remarkable, incredible, awesome, unbelievable, spectacular, sensational, stunning.
I've been culminating this for a long time.
Culminate means to reach a climax or point of highest development. Synonym: come to a climax, reach the high point, reach the zenith, come to a head.
So I'm really, really excited for everyone to enjoy this experience.
Really is an intensifier. Pay close attention to the usage of intensifiers. An intensifier is a word that strengthens or weakens another word, usually the word immediately to its right. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing this video. There is another video similar to this one. You may consider watching it.
This is nuts. And thank you to the women this year. You were so magnificent and so inspiring, and it's been so amazing getting to know you, and you've been so nice, and you've made this experience unforgettable.